In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on Airtable. Whether you're a night owl who loves working late or simply prefer a sleek, dark appearance to ease the strain on your eyes, enabling dark mode on Airtable is a simple process. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Airtable account. Once you're successfully signed in, you'll find yourself at the Airtable homepage. This is the hub of your activity where you can access all your bases and workspaces. Now, what you'll want to do here is locate your user profile. Typically, you can find your profile icon towards the upper right corner of the screen. It might be represented by your initials, or perhaps a custom profile picture you've uploaded. Clicking on your profile icon will open a drop-down menu. This menu is your gateway to personalizing your Airtable experience, and it's here where most of the magic happens when it comes to tweaking settings. Now, from that drop-down menu, you should look for the option labeled Appearance. It's the area specifically designed for customizing how your Airtable interface looks and feels. Once you've selected Appearance, you'll be greeted with several display options. Among these choices, you'll want to focus particularly on the Dark Mode option. Here comes the exciting part. Clicking on Dark will instantly transform your Airtable interface from the bright, light-filled look you're used to into a sleek, dark one. This transformation can really offer a more comfortable viewing experience, particularly in low-light environments. Plus, if you're using a device with an OLED screen, this change might even help prolong your device's battery life, which is a nice bonus. The great thing about Airtable's appearance settings is their flexibility. You can toggle back to light mode anytime you wish. All you need to do is follow the same steps we just went through and select the light option instead. This flexibility is useful because it allows you to switch between dark and light modes as needed, catering to your personal preferences or the requirements of your environment. If you ever encounter any glitches or issues with the appearance settings not taking effect immediately, a quick browser refresh can often resolve these minor hiccups. Additionally, it's always a good idea to ensure your browser is updated to the latest version to enjoy full support for all the features Airtable has to offer, ensuring a smooth and seamless experience. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled dark mode on Airtable. As you saw, it takes no time at all to enhance your workspace with a new, comfortable look. This dark mode option is perfect for making those late-night sessions more enjoyable and less straining on your eyes. Thanks for joining me in this walkthrough. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, as I'm here to help. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Enjoy your new dark mode experience and have a great time discovering new ways to tailor your Airtable settings to fit your needs.